Hello guys, this is Ina. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Ina. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, please do subscribe and hit on that notification bell. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my homemade sauce recipe. So in this homemade sauce, we're going to be making use of tomatoes. Yeah. In this homemade sauce of mine, I'll be using 4 tomatoes. I'll be grating them nicely, and then when I'm done grating them, I will be adding some salt. So yeah, I like my sauce raw, so let me leave it like that. So if you want to cook your sauce, you can also put it on the stove, heat it for about 3 minutes or so, then you're done. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.